juicy news, hot news all time. Kennedy Osei, the son of Osei Kwame Despite, had the biggest surprise on his birthday as he went speechless. Just watch the video.
Alright, so it's Kennedy's birthday, and guess what? Come closer, have a look at the images. We're celebrating Ken, so join me, let's go. No, just watch your face on it. And no, brothers are around, so this one is the special one. But this one is for the brothers too. Alright, with their images on it.
Mami, yes, so na mami, yes, so no sadly, Jimmy Freeman town for say, I was shedding Danino, yes, she ran mommy. If you need me, baby, Naramo, power to me, no for me, oh, bye. Namami, yes, all the time, hey, Namami, yes, all the time, hey.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.